Running out of space on your Samsung device can slow it down, block updates, and limit app use. But don't worry, here are 8 proven ways to free up and optimize storage on your Galaxy device. Let's dive into the most effective methods, from quick fixes to powerful solutions. Way 1. Get more storage on Samsung by copying data to computer handy. The most efficient way to transfer files from Samsung to Windows or macOS is with Mobikin Assistant for Android. It also helps clear unwanted items, freeing up space. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the software on your computer. Connect your Samsung Galaxy to the computer via USB. Step 2. Once detected, choose file types from the left menu. Preview, select files to delete, and click Export to save them. For a backup, go to Super Toolkit Backup, select file types, choose a storage location, and click Backup. Step 3. Select unwanted files from the left menu. Then click Delete to remove them from your Samsung Galaxy. Way 2. More storage on Samsung phone from Settings. Go to Settings, Device Maintenance. Tap Storage and select Clean Now. Choose a category under User Data. Check Items and tap Delete. Way 3. Add storage to Samsung phone by clearing data cache. Go to Settings, Apps, select an app, then tap Storage. To clear data, choose Clear Data or Clear Cache, and confirm by tapping OK. Way 4. Free storage on Samsung phone by deleting useless downloads. Open the Downloads app or go to Settings. Tap the menu icon. Select unwanted downloads and tap the trash icon to delete them. Way 5. Expand Samsung phone storage by offloading apps. Press and hold the app icon on the home screen or app drawer. Drag it to uninstall and confirm with OK. Way 6. Add extra storage to Samsung phone by removing files with File Manager. Open the Files by Google app. Select the file S to delete. Tap the delete icon and confirm with Move to Bin. Way 7. Free up storage on Samsung phone by moving data to SD card. Swipe up or down to access apps, then tap Samsung folder My Files internal storage. Select the files, tap Move. Go back to the My Files home screen. Select the SD card. Choose a folder and tap Move here. Way 8. Buy more storage on Samsung phone via Samsung Cloud. Open Settings, Cloud and Accounts, Samsung Cloud. Tap Manage Cloud Storage. Then choose Change Storage Plan or More and select your desired plan.